EPS horizontal automatic wire adjusting, reciprocating cycle cutting machine. This cutting machine enables bidirectional cutting by adjusting the cutting head angle, with double the cutting speed of ordinary cutting machines. This machine is also equipped with fully automatic cross-cutting technology, which automatically adjusts the cutting spacing to eliminate manual adjustment. Now let's use it to cut EPS blocks size 150 20mm. Step 1. Cut 100mm EPS blocks. Place the EPS block onto the cutting machine. Adjust the cutting direction. Automatic wire adjustment to 100mm. 1. Return all cutting wires to home position. 2. Automatically adjust wires according to preset data. 3. After adjustment, slide the excess cutting wires to the top. Then click forward cut, and the machine starts cutting automatically. Step 2. Cut 50mm EPS blocks. Flip the entirely newly cut EPS blocks in this direction. Adjust cutting direction. Then adjust the cutting wire to 50mm for cutting. Step 3. Start cross-cutting. Cut the EPS block by cross-cutting to the proper size. Step 4. Finally cut to 20mm dimension. Turn over the previously cut EPS block. Adjust the cutting direction. Then adjust the cutting wire to 20mm for cutting. 20mm, 50mm, 100mm EPS blocks cutting finished.